Are you trying to take a video of it starting up?
I'm doing a video right now. You want to watch gauge?
No, I'll tell you to watch, make sure the hose don't come off the back of the carburetor or the manifold. I don't know how tight they are. Pretty loose.
Yeah. Keep giving it gas. You're real low on the fuel. You're real low on fuel. Yeah.